Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video we're going to do a little Python tutorial. The Python tutorial is how to use the choice method. So choice is a nifty little method in Python that will select a random item out of a list for you, and it gives a different output. You know, I can't say every time because maybe it gives you the third one twice in a row, but it should give you a different output evenly. So 1/3 of the time in a 3 item list, it'll give you one, so on and so forth. If you get out of this video, hit the subscribe button. So let's do something called like days of the week. Or no, how about this? There's a better one. Reasons you should subscribe. And reason number 1 is I have a lovely voice. I don't, but even if I did, you like Python, or you want to help me get to 1,000 subs. So that's our list of random choices, and then we're going to do random choice equals random. Well, we have to import random first, and it's going to be random dot choice, and then we're going to pass into it the list of reasons, and then we'll print the random choice. So you want to help me get to 1,000 subs, or you like Python, or I have a lovely voice. Well, that's it. That's the choice method in the random library in Python. Thank you so much for watching, and hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.